Okay.
Okay, we're going to run this citizen lathe for you here. We're just going to jog some of the axes to show that the axes work. It's got a bar feed alarm on it because we don't got the bar feed set up. I'm just jogging here. You can see the actual position and see that it's moving.
This one?
That feed is spindle back and forth.
What, in here?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Y1 axis, the game toolbar.
Where's that?
That's the top one here.
Okay.
Jogging it left and right. The head in here, in and out. See, it's moving there. It's the C1 axis. There's the X1 axis. It's the game bar over here, up and down. The actual positions here and what's going on. You see that's X1, that's the toolbar up and down, and that's the actual position, and there's the operating range. That's the head in and out. You can see, shows the actual position, moving. There's Y. X, and Z. Shows all the axes are running. Chip conveyor here.
Good, huh? Anything else?
That's about it.